Hi everyone. So today, let's cover the recruiter dashboard and the recruitment workflow offered by Fintervue. So anyone, potentially a recruiter, would need to come to the landing page, that is fintervue.com. If they're visiting the website for the first time, then they need to go to the try for free section, which basically takes you to the sign up page. If you're a repeat customer, then you go to the sign in page and log in with your credentials. Let's start with the try for free, that is a sign up page. We don't ask a lot of details initially, doesn't make sense. You just give your company name for registration, or simple email ID, password, and then you confirm the password and then you create an account. Since I already have an account, I'll go to the sign in page. So now I'll just log in through my credentials. Yep. So now you see here, again, very simplistic yet functional dashboard for the recruiter. If you need to view the existing jobs that have been created, these are here. These are the interviews completed or ongoing pertaining to these jobs. And these are a list of all the interviews that have already been taken. Let me take you through one of the interviews that I took. So this is an overview. These are some system generated fields. So, all right. So this is my overall score. Soft skills 65 out of 100, correctness score 55 out of 100, and overall score is 60 out of 100. Now these are the answers I had given for each and every question that was asked by AI. All right. I have the interview report here, so I can have a look at the interview report as well. And this is what it reads. So I took the test on 8th April. These are some of the checks we do for fairness evaluation during the interview. Also, there are a few things that are already done, like eye tracking, all which done in post processing. So this is the abstract summary. Then interview assessment. So I'm assessed on as many as 10 soft skills and technical skills parameters. And along with that, one of the things that the recruiter, or even in case of a mock interview, one would want is the correct answers against which the answers given by the candidate was assessed on. So these are the correct answers as well. And then overall interview conclusion. Basically, there are one of three possibilities: either you're rejected, or you are recommended for further evaluation, or you're a strong accept above a certain threshold. Then this is the entire transcript. So it's a fairly longish report, but it has all the necessary details that are required. If one were to create a job, all they simply need to do is to come to the your jobs section, then create a job posting. Here they can select from any domain, subdomain. So once I select the domain, then a subdomain is enabled. Then I can give a job title, end date, job description. I can select from variety of job difficulties based on the year of experience of the prospective candidates I'm going to be interviewing. Also given a custom difficulty for the recruiter, wherein they can basically edit these and have up to 20 questions of their own rather than getting candidate assessed on our questions. So we have given the flexibility to the recruiter here, and we're not being very rigid here. So the recruiter basically decides what questions to ask, what is the sequence of questions, and they can choose to have a custom combination as well, wherein 15 questions the recruiter asks, and up to 5 questions can be asked from the system generated set. After the job is created, a link is generated. So, for example, this job would have a link. This is a link. As long as the job is active, you can copy the link and share it on the job portals or wherever. And then if I share this link with anyone, they can straight away come the link and they can upload their resume, or without it, they can just proceed with the interview. Even on the job page, there are a few details here like interviews taken for this job. So only candidate. Were there any additional questions added? No. So I mean, it's fairly customizable. It is very intuitive, very simple, yet very functional. Yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. Thank you.